Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for no-nonsense, in-depth reviews of everyday essentials. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best brown roll paper towels on the market, the Tork Natural Paper Hand Towel Roll H21. Now, if you're running a busy commercial space, a facility, or even a large home, you're going to need something that's reliable, sustainable, and cost-effective. That's where this product shines. Let's begin with the core of what makes this towel roll a standout: its eco-conscious construction. Each roll is crafted from 100% recycled fiber. That's right, no virgin pulp here. It's a genuinely sustainable solution that doesn't cut corners on performance. You're not only making a smart business decision, but also contributing to a greener planet. The roll itself is designed for high-capacity environments. You get 800 feet per roll, 6 rolls in one pack. That's 4,800 feet of durable, absorbent towel paper, ready to handle everything from drying hands in restrooms to wiping down kitchen counters in break rooms. It's ideal for places that experience high foot traffic, where constant roll changes just aren't practical. Let's talk compatibility. This roll is built for Tork H21 dispensers, so if you're already using one, it's a seamless drop-in. If you're considering an upgrade, the H21 system is known for its efficiency and easy refilling process. The core has a 1.9-inch inner diameter, and the towel width is a generous 7.9 inches, giving you optimal surface coverage for fast and effective hand drying. Now, one of the key benefits here is hygiene. These paper towels provide a more sanitary alternative to air dryers, which can often blow bacteria into the air. With the Tork H21 natural rolls, you're offering your guests or employees a fast, clean, and reliable way to dry their hands. You might be wondering if these towels sacrifice performance for sustainability. The answer is no. Despite being made from 100% recycled fiber, the towel holds up extremely well under use. It doesn't shred in your hands, it's decently absorbent, and it gets the job done with fewer sheets compared to flimsy alternatives. Another underrated advantage is the natural brown color. It gives off a more rustic, eco-conscious vibe compared to bleached white towels. For businesses that are eco-branded or environmentally focused, this look aligns perfectly with that image. That's great value when you consider the durability, the roll length, and the reduced frequency of replacements. Also worth mentioning, the packaging is straightforward, nothing excessive, which again points to Tork's commitment to sustainability. It ships in product packaging, so you know you're not paying extra for unnecessary layers of plastic or boxes. And while this product may not ship internationally to every country right now, if you're in the US, you're covered. It ships directly from and is sold by Amazon, so you're getting reliability and trusted delivery with hassle-free returns up to January 31, 2026. To sum it up, the Tork Natural Paper Hand Towel Roll H21 is a top-tier solution for anyone who needs a sustainable, high-capacity, commercial-grade paper towel that doesn't skimp on performance. It's easy to install, lasts long, dries fast, and reduces environmental impact. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another practical product review. Until next time, stay smart and sustainable.